Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Ya Ahlul Quran, I hope and pray that you're all in the best state of health and increasing state of Iman. Inshallah, we'll be learning ayah number 1 of Surah Rahman with Tajweed. Ar-Rahman. Okay, and the Tajweed rulings. Letter Hamza is connected to the letter Ra. The Lam Shamsiya, which is in between the Hamza and the letter Ra, is ignored. It is silenced. It is not read. Ra. The Ra has fatha on it, so it will be pronounced heavily. Ra, Ra. And also it has tajdeed on it, so we'll recite that with little stress, like Ra, Ra, by emphasizing that letter Ra. The next letter Ha is pronounced from the middle part of our throat. Here, while pronouncing this letter Ha, we do hams. Hams means the continuation of the breath. Rah, rah. The breath continues for a few seconds. Rahman. The meme has standing fatha on it, so it is stretched for 2 haraka, that is 2 count. Rahman. The letter Noon at the end of the ayah has dhamma on it. During waqf means to stop. While stopping, the noon with dhamma converts into sakin. Therefore, we will apply madul arid li sukoon while doing waqf. Madul arid li sukoon has 3 conditions. Number 1, waqf, that is to stop. And number 2 is the letter at which we are stopping should be converted into sakin. Temporary sukoon should be added to it. Just like here, the noon with dhamma is now converted into sakin. And the last third very important ruling is the letter before the last letter should be a mad letter, or it should be madul asli, that is stretching for 2 haraka. We are already stretching letter meme for 2 haraka. But now, due to madul arid sukoon, we can stretch this letter meme for either 2 or 4 or 6 count, inshallah. This ruling of mad is called madul arid sukoon. Ar-Rahman. Jazakumullahu khairun. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.